For those of you that are interested in Missouri tax liens, I have good news and I have some bad news. I'm going to start with the good news. I don't know who you are or where you're located. However, I can still help you be successful. For example, there are over 5,000 scheduled tax defaulted property auctions each year. They're all taking place across the United States in over 3,000 different counties. They all take their direction from the local state legislature. That legislature mandates tax defaulted auctions for delinquent property owners. Below me, when I finish this video, you'll realize you can sign up and request information free from all 3,000 counties. It took me years to gather and sift through all of the county information from tax assessors and official county treasurers. Now it's free, it's available to you. I want to help you be successful right out of the gate. This process has become simplified. You can just request the county information below me when we finish. Each year, over 2,000 tax defaulted properties are auctioned. That means they are sold at public auctions, which you can attend and observe and bid if you want. Most investors learn to bid online and offline. At auctions, you'll find that there are thousands of single-family homes, hundreds of vacant residential buildable lots, acres of open land. There's small farms, there's agricultural lands, there's grazing lands. Sometimes there's even complete subdivisions at these auctions. My point is, the local county is the source of information you want. Today's episode is all about Missouri and its tax sale process. Now here comes the not so good news for those citizens who are not residents of Missouri. You must be a resident to bid in Missouri. I don't make the rules, I'm just following up and teaching you the lesson. If you're disappointed, I understand that, but I can't comprehend why the legislature would eliminate bidders who bring money, bring talent, and goodwill to a state. What can I say? The rules are the rules. This is an amazing situation, and more so when I tell you one of my most successful student investors, who is now a coach and a millionaire, has purchased over 100 tax defaulted real estate properties and done so at tax defaulted property auctions in 11 other states. He was born in the state of Missouri and graduated tops in his class from the university there. I'm Ted Thomas. I've been guiding and teaching beginners and newcomers just like you how to earn big profits at tax defaulted property auctions for more than 2 decades. I teach a little known but highly lucrative business for off-market real estate properties, which are deeply discounted by the local county government treasurer. You can expect discounts of 60%, 70%, 80% below the tax assessed value. Once you own a property from the auction, you can rent it, you can fix it, you can even live in it. It's going to be your property. Before I close the video, I'll pass on some interesting and valuable information about Missouri for a few of you that do search the tax defaulted property auctions in that state. You must complete a registration form, and that must be approved by the collector or the civic source, who make the decision to approve or deny your registration. The state of Missouri auctions are scheduled in the month of August. Approximately 30 days prior to the auction, the list of tax delinquent properties and tax lien certificates will be available on the local county website under the title County Collector. For the record, you are purchasing at auction a certificate of purchase, which they claim is most like a tax lien certificate. You're bidding on the right to pay the delinquent taxes on a particular parcel, with a future right to convert your interest into a deed. In the state of Missouri, you can earn an annualized rate of return of 10%. However, they do have a redemption period of 1 year. Folks, I'm not an attorney at law. I'm not a real estate broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an investor just like you. I suggest you seek information from experience. The emphasis is the experienced attorney at law. This is a business of abundance. I can assure you there are lots of auctions which are much simpler than the legislation from the state of Missouri. The Missouri residents may find the opportunity because the state, the legislature, restricts, that is, they are protecting the residents from competition. However, there's much complexity that could discourage newcomers, and I can assure you many investors, especially beginners, completely resist paying large fees for lawyers to interpret the rules of the auction. My point is, I'm giving you a warning. Don't guess at what things mean on the county website. Seek help from experienced tax auction attorneys. It's not unusual for the county to have special rules that are unique to that jurisdiction. The Ted Thomas rule number 1 is this: tax defaulted auctions are public. Okay, that means you need to look at that property before and know its condition before you bid. The same advice applies to the neighborhood. Know the condition before you bid. Rule number 2 from Ted Thomas is know the rules throughout for whatever that county has. Caveat emptor simply means buyer beware. The county government is selling at auction as is. There is no statement of property condition, and there is no warranty that the title is free of defects. The auction rules will be careful to explain that tax auction sales are final, no refunds. Make no mistake about it. Even though the program is simple and fast, I never said it was easy. In fact, more than 30 years in the same tax lien certificate and tax deed business, I have not found anything in this business to be easy. For Missouri residents, the good news is the state has 140 counties where auctions are mandated by the legislature. Each county will offer some opportunities. In closing, I have been explaining a little-known business that is highly profitable when you know how to do it. The county treasurers at tax defaulted auctions regularly sell real estate properties at 60%, 70%, 80% below the tax assessed value. Once you receive the deed, you can rent the property. Some people like to resell the property. Other people fix it up, and still others live in the property. The reason most viewers are watching these videos is you want to know where to find a profitable location and an auction, and you want a strategy that will help you build your future. This business really works. You're in the right place. I have hundreds of videos on this channel to guide you. Hundreds of my students succeed and purchase real estate significantly below the local market prices. They follow up and sell that property and earn returns of $25,000, sometimes even $50,000. For a moment, I want you to imagine there was a business where you could be important and where you could have influence over the outcome, and you were paid big money, $25,000, even $50,000 on one deal. I know you'd go out of your way to invest in that business and be successful. This isn't a fairy tale or a fantasy. There is thousands of videos to help you on this channel. This can be a great part-time business that you can do as a side hustle while working part-time. It requires a low commitment of time. However, like every business, you get out of the business what you put in. Click on the description below, grab my free gift so that you can learn more about how to take advantage of this 200-year-old system. See you on the next video. I'm Ted Thomas.